Complete Internet Marketing Frequently Asked Questions in 2019 and 2020. Is every strategy used in Complete Internet Marketing relevant for your business? Every strategy used in Complete Internet Marketing is intended to help you achieve specific business goals. And best of all, a Complete Internet Marketing plan like the one we're giving you in this course is designed to make all strategies involved work together. For example, website optimization will help you to position your site on top of search results. Content marketing will help you to attract relevant traffic to your site. And email marketing will help you to capture the contact info of the audience that comes to your site. Should you run your own complete internet marketing campaigns, or should you get help from an agency? You can run complete internet marketing campaigns on your own as long as you know what you're doing. In this course, we're providing you with a complete internet marketing blueprint that's proven and easy to implement. All you need is to follow the step-by-step lessons to the letter, in the order given, and you'll get results. However, we do advise you to get help with certain tasks, such as with managing your social media channels, so you can better focus on the business aspects of your campaigns. What is a common mistake when trying to implement complete internet marketing strategies? The most common mistake is creating content that is brand-centric. And brand-centered content is content that focuses too much on the brand or on product features. When creating a campaign to promote a brand or the benefits of a product, the best approach is to focus on how the brand can service its target audience, or how a product can solve problems faced by customers in a specific niche. Now, this doesn't mean that you can't create branded content. It just has to focus on the human side of the business, such as about the maker of the product or the voice behind a brand. How soon can you expect to monetize a complete internet marketing campaign? It depends on how long it takes to get leads from considering buying your product to actually buying your product. This is harder to achieve when you are doing business in a niche with high competition. And it is easier to achieve when you do business in a niche with an audience that is always ready to buy. Is it really necessary to maintain a blog if you are already creating content in other formats? Unless you do business as an entertainer and you focus on a single format, like if you are a YouTuber or a streamer, then yes, maintaining a blog is crucial. This is because a blog can help you to attract people at any stage of the sales funnel. Remember, people who are searching products to make a final purchasing decision look for relevant info by entering product keywords on a search engine. Those searches are going to funnel potential customers to your blog, where they might decide to buy your products. Likewise, a person just looking for content in your niche can land on your blog and convert into a repeat visitor. Then he might subscribe to your mailing list. Then he will finally convert into a customer. In short, maintaining a blog is a powerful, cost-effective strategy that you need to implement. How important is marketing automation? And marketing automation is becoming increasingly important because it can help you to streamline a lot of marketing processes that are time-consuming, including lead generation, nurturing and scoring, audience segmentation, and others. Are internet marketing tools driven by artificial intelligence legitimate? If so, are they a good fit for your complete internet marketing campaigns? Internet marketing tools driven by AI are legitimate, and they work because they're designed to help you to make better decisions, because they read the data you collect from your campaigns in a certain way and give you insights based on years of marketing experience. The problem is that many companies use the term AI as a buzzword to promote their products. A good AI-driven marketing tool can analyze the sentiment expressed by your audience to help you pick the best topics and voice your content. What is one overlooked aspect of complete internet marketing that marketers should be paying more attention to? Conversion rate optimization. The process of optimizing your conversion strategies across all your marketing channels to increase conversions and sales. It's a process that should be implemented right after one has achieved, even exceeded a campaign's goal. What aspect of a complete internet marketing strategy should you hand to a professional once your business becomes profitable? You should hire a professional copywriter as soon as you can afford one. Having a professional write your copy is more important than ever because it can help you to stand out in saturated niches, to build a better brand, to connect more with a segment of your audience, and to inspire more action. What key performance indicators should you measure to determine your success in the future? The metrics that will help you to predict what type of optimizations you should implement to improve your results in future campaigns include total visits, or the number of visits that you get to all your relevant channels, including your social media profiles and your best performing landing pages, new sessions or new visitors, or the number of new visitors that you're getting on your main content channels. This one will help you to understand how good your content is at attracting new visitors and encouraging repeat visits. Bounce rates, or the percentage of visitors that leave your site without exploring it further. Total conversions, or the number of conversions that happen across your channels. A high number of total conversions will help you understand the efficacy of your current strategies.